What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video of You Nice, and remember, you are nice. Today we're making a drippy art piece, but another kind of drippy art piece. The drip art is an idea I had in mind, and I wanted to work out on like big ones. Like, let me get you one on like this size, but since this size is a bit much to just do a color split and drip, I'm saving these for another project, and I bought myself a few smaller ones. We're going to try them out on the smaller ones first, but it will give a different effect since this is like really long and with a small side, and these are more like, yeah. So we'll see how it goes. Let's get into the video. Black and white series, as I said, I promised black and white series, and look at me. It's black and white, black and white, black and white, black and white. Hey guys, I love black and white, right? Let's go.
Young Fawn.
Don't be mean, I was a chubby kid.
Young Forest.
Okay guys, so that turned out completely different than I hoped. So I wanted to have fat drips, but as usual I made too little paint. I had made a whole lot more paint yet again, but too little. We came up with a different effect. I worked it out so it wouldn't be a waste. The canvases were cheap luckily. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get on to the next one. Peace. Very sad story. I came back from a weekend with the family and my cats practically ruined everything, but like everything I did last weekend. Over here, there. This one's like the least damaged. It's got like some debris on there. This one's over here, over here. God damn, like literally god damn. They stepped on this part right here. I don't know if you can see that. They stepped on this part and then they walked with that foot over this part. So now I've got two ruined pieces. So yeah, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Even though I'm smiling, I'm not happy. Yeah, I'll need to do everything again. I'm so disappointed. God damn. God damn.